Everybody else, I'm going to show you how you can do the slider in Flinto, which is pretty easier than I thought with a little workaround. So first you need a new screen, and I have these 4 drops here, and we get to this later. For the slider, you need your gray line, which is the default state for the slider. You need the same line, but just in your color, what you want, I don't know. And it has the same size than this one, yeah? Also, you need that dot or any form you want to animate. And it's really easier than I thought. So at first, you're gonna do a scroll group out of these two. And now you have this problem when you just try it. It just fades away, and it just goes to the left side. Yeah. So and this is a problem. So we're gonna solve this. At first, you have to do an initial offset with the whole scroll group, and the pixel range is the same size that you have in this one, or like it doesn't have to be the same, but nearly the same. Yeah. So just play a little bit around with it. You will see it. The process is every time the same. So I set this to, I thought, 390 pixels, and then you see the whole slider goes to the left side. And now we're just gonna do this thing here, or to the place where you want to be. I just say I want to this point, and also the white thing. And now you can hit your dot and the blue line, and just move it back to your initial position like this. Yeah. So and this is basically everything. Now the slider works. Now we have to remove this little path here because we don't want that. That looks ugly. So on the second state, we're just gonna remove this one. Just do it on this size. So that's everything. And then, as you can see, it disappears and you have a slider. So now we're gonna go to the tricky part, and this I'm gonna show you on my final state. The second thing you do is, if you want to do this animation, if you want to animate something else inside when you hit the slider, then you have to play around with it. So I named this drop behavior. The thing is, don't move your other stuff into that behavior. Just the scroll group we did. It's the same scroll group I showed you, and your elements you want to animate. Then you just mark everything and just make a behavior out of it. So, oops, yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Now, if you want to animate these, there is a trick, and you have also to play around with it, because you think the natural thing is to just, if you move the slider to the left, and if the arrow goes to this direction, the slider will move that same way, and the animation will hit to the next state. But you have just mark these your scroll group, and link it with a scroll to the new state where you want to be, and then you have to turn around your scroll area where where it hits it, and you have to play around with it. I just had like 4 times, 2 hours until I get it. As you can see, it's now on this place, and on the second state, it moved a little bit to the left, and on the third state, it's completely on the left side. You don't need any state on your final form. Yeah. This is basically everything. This is how the whole slider works. And I show you what's gonna go wrong with it if you don't be careful with these. If I'm gonna just move this a little too far, and I'm gonna hit it again, it yeah, the whole process is eliminated and it doesn't work. So you have to go for this little area where it perfectly works. And this is how the slider works. I hope I could help you with this. Sorry for my bad English. Have fun with Flinto. Be peaceful and have a nice day.